What's good, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're working on a 2018 Camry 2.5, and today we're working on an alternator. This one is pretty simple. So the first thing you guys want to do, go ahead and take out the serpentine belt. You don't got to take it off all the way, but you want to take it off from the alternator. And the way to remove the belt, you're gonna use a 14mm wrench. I kind of always use this ratchet ones. It's a little bit simpler than the other ones. You're gonna want to put it right here, and then just get another one. The way that I do it is just go ahead and hook it up from here. You want to get a bigger one, so that way you can kind of hook it on the other end, and then put the tension towards the car, so that way after you guys do that, go ahead and remove this connection right here. And this one is a 10mm. After you remove the 10mm, just go ahead and move it to the side. Proceed to this connection right here, and from this connection it does have this little tab right here on the side, so just squeeze that and pull it out. Once you remove the connection, it's gonna have this bolt right here, and that one is gonna be a 10mm, which is gonna look just like this. Go ahead and remove that 10mm. After you remove the 10mm, it's gonna have 3 bolts, which is this one right here, and then 2 on the bottom, this one, and then this one on the other side. And those are gonna be 12mm, all 3. And after you do that, pull it this way. So I'm doing it with one hand, so just bear with me. Just be careful with these lines right here, this one and this line right here. So what I did is just went ahead and moved this line out the way from that little connection, and I positioned the alternator just like this. And there's no need to move that line unless you want to, but you're gonna lose a little bit of coolant if you do. And just go ahead and kind of push it up. Well, I do need my other hand to kind of push this line a little bit more this way. That way I don't put too much pressure on that line. Okay, so this is a little better view. Whenever you are taking it out, be careful with this connection right here. If you kind of pull it really hard, you're gonna damage this connection. So once again, position the alternator just like this, with the connections facing this line right here. If you face it this way, which I had it like that, the connections are gonna kind of hit right here on this mount. If you face them this way, you can get a little better access. But once again, remove that connection from that little tab, which you just pull it this way and then put it on the other side, and that's gonna be it for that. So the next thing is to make sure the alternator is the correct one, which you want to do that before try to install it. Just make sure it's the same connection, same power wire, pretty much everything. I've done some jobs that it kind of looks like it, but at the end the connections are kind of on the other side, so you don't want to, you know, waste your time and stuff. But yeah, this is it for this video. If this video was helpful for you guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, turn on notifications, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.